Good morning students, welcome back. Today we are going to start with unit 2nd. What? We are going to start with our unit 2, and the first poem of unit 2 is Rain, R-A-I-N, rain. You know meaning of rain. What is meaning of rain? Can you see this word? R-A-I-N, rain. Correct? Have you heard any time this word? कधी तुम्ही ऐकलंय का LKG मध्ये UKG मध्ये? What is meaning of rain? Rain means simply what? Rain means simply पाऊस. पाऊस माहिती ना तुम्हाला? तर पावसावरती कविता दिलेली आहे बुक मध्ये. On page number 14 it is given. On which page number it is given? It is given on page number 14 and it is 2.1 poem Rain. So what is that poem? In that poem it is told that look, listen, sing and talk about the picture. What you have to do? You have to listen, you have to look, listen, okay, no problem, you are not able to see, then do one thing, you can take out your book. You please take out your book and then see in your book page number 14. Please take out your English books. It is not visible. I think so some settings have gone wrong from me. Settings काहीतरी बदलले मोबाईल मध्ये तर दिसत नाहीये. तर काय करायचं? You have to remove your book and in your book here it is given unit 2 2.1 rain. I will sing now. Listen, it is told, then you do work of listening. Okay, तुम्ही काय करायचं? ऐकायचं काम करा. I will sing the poem. Okay. The rain is falling all around, it falls on the field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. Okay, I'll repeat it again. Okay, the rain is falling all around, it falls on the field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas, it rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. Hey, the rain is falling all around, it falls on the field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. Understood? This is tune of the poem, correct or not? Yesterday we studied which poem? We studied about number song, correct? Do you remember? 1, 2, 3 and 4, plant the trees more and more. 5, 5, 6, 7 and 8, plant the trees near the gate. 9 and 10, 9 and 10, plant the trees double than 10, double of 10, double of 10. Like that only today we are studying which poem? We are studying first poem of 2.1 of second unit. The rain is falling all around, it falls on the field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. Okay, you have to learn the poem, okay? Understood? The rain is falling all around, it falls on the field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. Understood? This is the tune of the poem and this poem is written by Robert Stevenson. What is his name? The name of the poet is Robert Stevenson. Okay? By whom this poem is written? The poem is written by Robert Stevenson. कविता कोणी लिहिलेली आहे? रॉबर्ट स्टीव्हन्सन. आणि रॉबर्ट काय म्हणतो ह्या पोएम मध्ये की इट रेन्स, द रेन इज फॉलिंग ऑल अराउंड. नाउ इन दॅट पिक्चर umbrellas are given. Okay, see picture is like this. Umbrellas are given, trees are given, correct? Clouds are given. Understood? More what is given? Both side umbrella, and here what is there? Ship is there. What is given here? Ship. And downside what is there? Water. So When rain falls on what? Rain falls on the clouds, correct? Rain falls on the umbrella, rain falls on the tree, correct? And here downside near the tree, what is there? Grass is there, and rain falls on the field, rain falls on the ship, correct? पाऊस कशा कशावरती पडतो? पाऊस ढगांवरती पडतो, पाऊस छत्रीवरती पडतो. Yes or no? 2 umbrellas are there. This side also 1 umbrella is given in the picture, correct? So where does this rain falls? Rain falls on the umbrellas, rain falls on the clouds, rain falls on the tree, rain falls on the field. Field म्हणजे काय? जमीन, correct? Rain falls on the sea, yes, water, sea water, and rain also falls on the ship, correct? पाऊस कुठे पडतो? पाऊस एकदा पाऊस चालू झाला की तो सगळीकडे पडतो. इट इज लाईक दॅट. असं आहे का की फॉर एक्झाम्पल घराच्या इकडे पाऊस पडतोय आणि इकडे पाऊस पडत नाही? कधी कधी होतं, राईट? समटाईम्स इट हॅपन्स, बट दॅट इज नॅचरल प्रोसेस. ती कोणती प्रोसेस आहे? इट इज अ नॅचरल प्रोसेस. इफ इट रेन्स in one area, it rains in all areas, means in that surrounding it rains everywhere, correct? And then if it is told that rain is falling, when it is raining, that time where it falls only on trees or what? फक्त झाडांवरतीच पाऊस पडतो का? नाही, तो आपल्या घरावरती पडतो, तो आपल्या झाडांवरती पडतो. सपोज शेड जर असेल घराच्या बाहेर तर शेडवरती पडतं पाणी पावसाचं, करेक्ट? घरापुढे अंगण असतं, अंगणात पडतं. तर घराच्या मागे तुमची शेती असली तर ते फील्डमध्ये फार्ममध्ये पण पाऊस पडतो. की असं ऐकलेलं आहे का? पाऊस कुणी सांगितलं आहे का तुम्हाला की तुम्हाला माहिती आहे का बेटा, यू नो वॉट, इट रेन्स ओनली ऑन ट्रीज? फक्त झाडांवरती पाऊस पडतो का? नो, इट रेन्स एव्हरीवेअर. सो हिअर इट इज टोल्ड दॅट द रेन इज फॉलिंग ऑल अराउंड. ऑल अराउंड मीन्स एव्हरीवेअर इट इज रेनिंग. Everywhere what is happening? Everywhere it is raining. It falls on the field and tree. Field means what? Farm, zameen, correct or not? You have farm at home? Yes, everyone has farm at home. So it rains on the farm, it rains on the tree. Understood? झाडांवरती पाऊस पडतो, शेतामध्ये पाऊस पडतो. Then third line is told that it rains on the umbrellas here. Umbrellas means what now? If you are having umbrella आणि तुम्ही जर घराच्या बाहेर पडले तर तुम्ही काय करतात? इफ यू गो आउटसाइड ऑफ द हाऊस, what you take umbrella and then you open the umbrella and then you go out, and then when you go out, what happens on those umbrella? Rain falls on the umbrella. And for what we use umbrella? That is for our protection. We should not get wet, so we make use of umbrellas. आपण छत्री कशासाठी वापरतो? जेणेकरून अम्ब्रेला आपण कशासाठी वापरतो की आपण वेट नाही व्हायला पाहिजे. येस ऑर नो? वी शुड नॉट गेट वेट. आपले कपडे ओले नाही झाले पाहिजे, केस ओले नाही झाले पाहिजे, म्हणून आपण काय करतो? अम्ब्रेलाचा वापर करतो. आणि मग अम्ब्रेलाचा वापर केल्यानंतर पाऊस कशावरती पडणार आहे? पाऊस अम्ब्रेलावरती पडणार आहे, राईट? सो हिअर थर्ड लाईन इज टेलिंग दॅट इट रेन्स ऑन द अम्ब्रेलाज हिअर अँड ऑन द शिप्स ॲट सी. If it is raining everywhere, then if ships are there in the sea, समुद्रामध्ये जर जहाज असेल तर त्या जहाजावरती पाऊस नाही पडणार का? नॅचरली येस, पडणार पाऊस तिथे पण. सो हिअर इट इज टोल्ड दॅट इट रेन्स, द रेन इज फॉलिंग ऑल अराउंड, इट फॉल्स ऑन द फील्ड अँड ट्री, इट रेन्स ऑन द अम्ब्रेलाज हिअर अँड ऑन द शिप्स ॲट सी. अंडरस्टूड? शिप्स ॲट सी मीन्स वॉट? जहाज कशामध्ये असतं? समुद्रामध्ये असतं, अरेबियन सी. अंडरस्टूड? सो हिअर इट इज टोल्ड दॅट इट रेन्स एव्हरीवेअर. इट रेन्स ऑन अम्ब्रेलाज, इट रेन्स ऑन क्लाउड्स, इट रेन्स ऑन ट्रीज, इट रेन्स ऑन फील्ड, इट रेन्स ऑन सी, इट रेन्स ऑन शिप. अंडरस्टूड? In this way, in the poem it is told that it rains everywhere. Have you understood poem? I think you might have understood. And there are some question answers of the poem. That question answers we will study in tomorrow's period. Okay? Do you want to know something more? I think so. You have understood remaining part of the poem, question answers and all that we will take tomorrow. Do one thing. Today's your homework is you have to write down this poem in your English notebook. And after that there is a second question given here. Look and say. some words are given, that all words you have to write down. Understood how you have to write? For example, rain word is given. What you have to do, same word you have to write down again downside. Make 3 columns of your page, and then second word you have to write down falling. FALLING, falling. What is third word? Around. AROUND, around. Okay, in this way write down spellings. First write down name of a poem on new page of your English notebook. काय करायचं, नवीन पेज काढायचं नोटबुकचं, त्याच्यावरती पोएमचं नाव लिहायचं. पहिले पोएम लिहून काढायची आणि पोएम लिहून झाल्यानंतर खाली काय करायचं, स्पेलिंग्स लिहायचे. अंडरस्टूड? हॅव यू गॉट इट? दिस इज युअर होमवर्क फॉर टुडे. ओके, थँक यू.